at least 100 shelters all over India for all the street dogs, cats, cows, and also on the vets, because getting good doctors are quite rare. It's the two who care about animals and do not do experiments on them because they are street animals. And differentiating between street and a breeded dog is actually quite rude, according to me.
We are celebrating the 3rd anniversary of Vishaka Orator Juniors. It is the first English public speaking platform in Visakhapatnam, especially aimed at children who are above 8 years of age. And we meet every Sunday at Bulaya College. And this club is basically a platform to develop your public speaking skills as well as your leadership skills, because these two are two important things that needs to be inculcated in children when they are young. So when they grow up, this speaking and the leadership skills which they have inculcated now will enable them to become good leaders and establish themselves as good speakers. So these people learn to overcome their difficulties in speaking, how to speak correctly and how to address issues. They are taught how to lead a club and what to say and how to talk in front of strangers, what are the things that are required. So they manage the whole show. So this is what they do, and I urge your parents to please send the children to these clubs. So this will actually encourage them to learn and break the taboo and break their own shackles of fears.
When I first attended the Vishaka Orator session, I was so scared. There were so many roles and people were starting to speak, and when I got a question all of a sudden and I had to speak on it, I was so scared. I used to off my video and I used to rename myself only as guest, and all the Vajanti ma'am always used to ask unmute, and I never unmute, pretend I'm not there. I was such a nervous person speaking in public. But now Vishaka Orators has helped me a lot. I even got a chance to represent our club internationally in the AgraCon Storytelling International Contest. Although I'm still nervous when I need to speak, but I got over it. But now I feel confident. So yeah.
I first joined this club in 2020, and I remember when someone used to call me or if my teacher wanted to talk to me, I felt so nervous. I would not be able to tell my feelings or what was happening. But now when someone calls me or when I have to talk about something, I freely express my thoughts and all of the above things which I want to talk about. I feel like this organization, it made me speak freely, and public speaking is one of the most important things one should have, and it is one of the most important things one needs to be a part of this society and be a successful person. And I feel like Vishaka Orators does an amazing job in making young minds get over nervousness and all of the above.